Hey, this is...
Chris, look at my face. Is this bleeding?
Yeah, you have a giant red mark on your face from where you were hit in the face, and I will absolutely testify that that woman hit you in the face unnecessarily.
I was getting it ready for you.
That's fine. You ready?
On November the 6th, 2023, at approximately 11:24 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to the Soldano Shopping Center on the city's west side on multiple calls about a man and a woman passed out in the parking lot. The woman was reportedly passed out on the ground, and the man was passed out in a vehicle. The officers eventually made contact with both individuals, who were highly intoxicated, and made a series of poor choices which resulted in their arrest. Miss Natalie Gaver was placed under arrest for felonious assault on a police officer and later pled guilty to attempted felony assault. She was sentenced to 90 days in jail with 2 years of probation and 12 months on the shelf. Mr. Christopher Filardo was charged with possession of drug paraphernalia and an open container in a motor vehicle. The drug paraphernalia charge was dismissed, and he pled guilty to the open container charge. He was ordered to pay a $25 fine.
Out here.
I'm sleeping.
Okay. You need help? Okay.
Is that ID you? Is that you in that ID? Oh, you know it's not.
Big one. You got several there. You got another one laying on the ground.
Huh? What?
None of these are you.
Yes. Yeah.
What's your name?
Natalie Gaver.
You don't need evaluated, right? Medically?
What?
You good? Medically? You don't want to be evaluated?
No.
Okay. Any of those IDs first?
One of them I think is.
Yeah.
She gave that name.
Natalie Gaver. 9/19/1984.
Doesn't have your name on it?
Huh?
You can't have cars that don't have your name on it.
You can't just take my stuff on my person that's not yours to take. That's not how that works.
It sounds like it was not yours to have in the first place. I have to
clean rental
investigate the felony
properties.
crime.
I clean rental properties.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We can't take the cards out of there.
No.
Huh?
You can't take cards out of there.
I can't take cards that are there?
No.
You need to attempt to give them back to the people? You know how many people I've given their shit back to?
Franklin Township.
What was your name?
Natalie Gaver. Natalie Kyan Gaver. 9/19. God damn. Jesus Christ, man. Apparently, like, not even getting into it with y'all. You're fucking still just like digging and digging and digging, like.
That's whose card that is?
Excuse me? What
Whose card is that?
What
One
card?
in your hand.
This card? I don't know. I clean rental properties. Lots of them.
What's your last name?
Gaver, G-A-V as in Victor E-R.
Another person.
My bad. I'm not even getting into it. Y'all don't need to know any about my personal bullshit. I didn't know it was a crime to fucking sit the fuck down.
No, we're still with her. Is it the same description?
This one's pale white laying on a black four-door sedan in the parking lot with the blade.
God damn, I didn't steal a fucking thing. I paid for the fucking shit that I had. I fucking came out here. He knows a hell of a thing, okay?
So these
fuck
are all
off.
not the Natalie Gaver name.
Okay.
This is probably a stolen purse or something.
A stolen what?
Oh, here's another. Wait, here's more down.
Did you say
Oh,
stolen?
busy the navigator.
Did you just say stolen? Did you just say stolen?
Wasn't talking to you, was I?
You're speaking in my fucking direction. You just said stolen. Okay, well, we'll just keep that. I'll make sure I keep that spank bank, okay? You need to...
You know it's a felony to possess someone else's Ohio direction card?
Did you know that
Yes.
Lisa Newman's my mother? She's been passed for 7 years,
Okay,
okay?
still a felony.
But then there's another one.
For my mother to be dead?
No, for you to
This
possess people's
person.
Ohio direction card,
This person.
you can't have any of those.
This person.
So, okay, let's go
This
over
was all
this.
her.
Why are you here?
Because someone called saying you were
For
down
what?
and out.
There's a lot of reasons that someone would call.
Yeah.
A lot going on right there.
They're concerned for your well-being. We get a lot of overdoses in the area.
It's not a fucking overdose. Do I seem overdose? Did you Narcan me?
These are not.
Did you?
So how am I supposed to assess that
These are
from
actually-
across the city? Doesn't make sense, does it?
This was actually
Doesn't make
her.
sense. You got a lot of fucking shit to do. People that are
And then
really
there was a
fucking
pile of
dying.
no
I'm going through
names.
fucking chemo and radiation right now.
If somebody calls me to come check on you and you throw an attitude, that's
I throw an attitude because she's talking about me stealing shit.
It's probably not supposed to be in your possession. You have several people's credit
Several
cards.
people, hey, you know what?
You can have
I'll
these.
go on and give you about 20
you
people
go.
where I get their
Natalie.
shit and give it back to them.
Natalie.
I'll steal shit.
And then get your shit and go. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Is that your wallet?
You guys got fucking way bigger fucking fish to fry to be fucking bothering somebody like this.
Bothering. We
Bothering.
didn't just show up. We got called here, dear. So you're bothering the community.
I'm
Grab your
bothering
stuff.
the community. Be quiet.
Yep.
That is absolutely my fucking Louis. Thank you.
Excellent. Well, I picked it up off the ground for you. So
Thank
nice.
you.
You're welcome.
Here, why don't you
Where's the
fucking
rest
go
of them?
fucking sell it to somebody? You know,
Oh, you have.
so I
This
stole
was all
it.
the same
Another
girl.
call for another person in a similar situation, less
Toodles.
than a couple hundred feet from
Toodles.
Toodles.
Get on with yourself.
There's another guy right down here.
Yeah, there's a guy like hanging out of his car, not moving.
Hanging out of his
Yeah,
car? I
he's
thought
got
it
red
was.
shoes on and a black car over there.
Black car? Alright, I'm just. Okay, thank you. Well, there's that. Did he move?
Sure.
Hey!
You alive?
Wakey, 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 wakey! Hey, you!
Wake up. There he is.
How many clues do you see? Let's start counting.
What? I thought it was you all right now. Why are you sleeping? Go over there. Why are you sleeping in the back of the car?
Is she laughing or crying?
Yeah, that's my phone. I don't understand what's happening.
Me either. Me either, sir.
Can I not be parked at a parking spot?
Well, you looked dead.
They're just fucking out here searching.
So there was that.
Sir,
This dumb bitch has got so many fucking shit.
no.
It's not yours?
No. It doesn't matter. It's not your business.
They have like the same personality.
I no. That's
what it was.
Okay, so I want a lawyer present. Hey.
What?
Huh? What do you mean it's not going to happen?
Yeah, we didn't ask any questions.
Yeah, actually you did. You did ask me several questions.
Once
You asked me to get out of the car.
Well, that's an order.
Okay, you don't have the right
Yes,
to
we
get...
do.
Don't come up here. Go back over
I
there.
can stand right here, bitch. You ain't shit.
You can
You
go to
understand that?
jail. We'll find a reason.
Go ahead and take me to jail, baby. You're gonna
you're
fucking, you don't see my
gross.
best friend is a
No,
judge.
you don't have the right to arrest me for this.
Don't resist.
Okay,
because then
all
you
right.
say that you were fucking
Back
doing
up.
that and
All right.
combative.
Go back over there,
She
please.
done stole credit cards
Back
out of
over
my
there.
purse.
Yeah,
Shut the
you
fuck
stole
up, bitch.
credit cards you stole.
I stole?
They didn't issue it in your name.
I was eating up rental property, you dumb cunt. Make sure people don't steal people's shit, dumbass.
Same
People
personality.
like you need to
Huh?
fucking seriously find
No, no.
Face away,
I-
face away.
no,
Talk in that direction. We can hear you.
Actually, I'd rather face this way.
Ma'am, I'm gonna tell you one more time. If I have to tell you get away from this car, you're interfering with our investigation. I said back up.
Get off my hand, dude. Are you serious? Are you serious? Get the fuck on the car. Serious? Get the fuck on the car. Are you serious?
Hey! That's unnecessary!
Oh my god!
Hey, somebody
Oh my god!
It's being filmed.
Black talk. Hey, that was completely unnecessary. You have no right to attack somebody like that.
I'm cleaning up rental property, you dumb cunt.
Holy shit.
Make sure people don't steal people's shit, dumbass. People like you need to
Huh?
seriously find
No.
Stop. Face away, face away.
No,
Talk in that direction. We can hear you.
actually, I'd rather face this way.
Take that out of your hand, please.
Take that out of your hand.
Let go.
Why would I take that out of my hand? Why did I told you to.
Come on.
Well, you seem to have a really good.
Scott, we help her.
Hey, are you serious?
Hey! That's unnecessary! Hey, that is entirely unnecessary! Hey, somebody film that! Hey, he's trying to pull me in here, so I stopped them from filming that! Oh! Hey, you have no reason to do that to me!
Yeah, I do. Now
No,
stop.
no, you
Now
don't.
you're gonna wait until other officers get here.
Okay, perfect.
So stop.
Oh, you fucking ignorant bitch! Get her the fuck away from me now! Get her away from me! I swear to God! Get away! Oh my God! Get away! Oh, get away! Get off of me! So what am I on? Fucking kill you, dumb fuck! You are an ignorant fucking bitch. I can't wait till the universe fucks you and fucks you so bad. Oh God! I cannot wait. Oh my God! You are a fucking disgusting, vital human being.
Thank you.
Have you gone through fucking chemo, you dumb bitch? Huh? Have you? Have you? I didn't think so. You're gonna fucking look at my face, you dumb fucking sloppy bitch. On my fucking life, my best friend's a judge. Fuck you, bitch.
You don't care that you're
You're a dumb, sloppy, fucking ignorant, fucking egotistical cunt.
There's that one over there.
It's my friend, you dumb fuck.
You are doing something.
You took a man and a woman? I'm sick as fucking ignorant fucks.
Guess what? That's how you're gonna stay. It's worth it back in the car.
You have no right.
You feel
That
good?
one.
Look at you fucking feel.
Hey,
Look at you fucking feel.
Snap, you gotta go in this car.
Don't touch me!
Get up.
Don't!
Hey, I would like to talk to the commanding
Wait till I
officer.
find you one day.
Hey, this is,
Can I look at my face? Is this bleeding?
yeah.
Is
You have
it?
a giant red mark on your
Dumb
face.
fucking slut. You're a fucking dumb.
Get in the car.
Oh, you gonna beat on me some more? You gonna beat on me some more?
Get in the car.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
I'm trying!
Get in the car.
God damn! You guys are fucked, man.
Sit down in the car.
I'm trying to get in. She's got this tighter than a nun's cunt, bitch.
Probably just double locked.
I can't get in. It's tight. If I'm bleeding,
Face that way
I
so I can fix
swear
your
to
handcuffs.
God.
You need to lean that way and put your hands back here so I can fix the handcuffs.
I thank God that this is all I'm saying, you dumb bitch. You deserve no respect. Understand that. You get me? You understand me? I will have your fucking job, and I put that on everything.
Weird. Face it that way, or their cuffs are gonna stay the way they are.
I don't give a fuck, bitch. Do whatever you gotta do. So what do you got on me, huh? What made you physically assault me, you ignorant fucking bitch?
Obstructing.
Huh?
Get your foot out of the door. Get your foot out of the door. Get your foot out of the door.
You guys got keys to the wagon?
And resisting your own
Get in
arrest.
the car.
What are you doing? I
Get your foot in the car.
arrest!
Get your foot in the car.
The fuck am I under arrest?
All right, I'd like to talk to the commanding officer in charge.
No.
Why are you doing that? Because it hurts.
Yeah, just go ahead and run him in.
Hey, that was completely unnecessary. You have no right to attack somebody like that.
Fucking ignorant bitch! Get her the fuck away from me now! Get her away from me!
She has PTSD,
Okay.
and you just tackled her like
Because
that.
she wouldn't get away.
No. Her
Listen,
say
you
her- no.
have the right to remain silent. So exercise that right.
I would like to say something.
There's nothing to be said.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
I would like to say something on camera.
You can say whatever you want.
Hey, there is absolutely no reason why anybody saying verbally anything should result in being tackled by two people. There is absolutely no reason for that. Could you please please stop?
When you start pulling away when I'm walking you one direction,
Hey,
and you
I'm
start
turning
going towards
over.
them, no.
I'm
You
turning
get to
over.
wait until other officers get here.
You do not need to press down.
I'm not
You're
pressing.
hurting me.
I'm holding your
You're
hand
hurting me.
away from my
You're
hand.
hurting me.
don't care.
You're hurting me.
It's okay.
You said you don't care?
I don't care
You don't
because you're
care that
lying.
you're hurting me?
You're lying.
I'm not
Stop.
lying. You have no right to tell me I'm lying.
You're lying.
You have no right to tell me I'm
I'm
lying.
not doing anything to hurt you.
You are doing something.
All
to
my
hurt me.
weight's on my knees.
My-
I'm holding your hand closed.
My
I'm holding your
hands
elbow
hurt.
down. And guess what? That's how you're going to stay until we put you in the back of a car.
You have no right whatsoever.
All right, we're going to put him in a car.
I would like to talk to the commanding officer.
Well,
Hey,
you can
I would
say
like to
this.
talk to the commanding officer. Hey, this is... Yeah, you have a giant red mark on your face from where you were hit in the face, and I will absolutely testify that that woman hit you in the face unnecessarily.
I was getting it ready for you.
That's fine. You ready? We're going to the wagon. All right,
I
you're going
can't.
to stand on your feet.
Ow! Ow!
Stand up.
Ow! Hey, be gentle. You have no reason.
He's going to be searched once we get back here.
Yeah, please do.
Here,
I
you got a
got
straw.
I got fuck all on me. Please do search me. You want to strip search me?
No.
Yeah, take it all off. You can see all the nothing that I have on me. Hey, look, a cell phone.
Yeah, you have Scott unlock the wagon.
Why were the
We don't need other cars.
Why were the
No.
police called? Why am I being detained?
You have other cars
Why am I being detained?
I already explained that to you.
No, you
Put on
didn't.
any
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Okay, well, explain it to me again.
Because you're not listening. I'm going to give you some time to
Coming
think. Calm yourself down, and then I'll explain this all over again.
No, you aren't listening.
Okay.
I would like to know why I'm being detained.
Yeah.
What law did I break? What law did I
I
break?
explained that to you.
What law did I break?
I already explained it to you. What's your head?
No. Before I get in there,
No. You're going to go sit back here,
I want to.
or you're going to be charged additionally. Come on.
I'm being charged
I
what?
said, or you could be charged additionally. Now, come on.
Additionally for what?
Have a seat. Now stay
Additionally
there.
for what?
Now stay there.
Hey, wait. That's my phone.
Yeah, it's going to stay right there.
You guys all good?